Every video on this channel was scripted, produced, and uploaded without me touching a camera, an editor, or even a keyboard. Let me show you exactly how. Creating video content used to mean hours of filming, editing, and rendering, or paying thousands for a production team. For a small business like mine, that just wasn't realistic. Then I found two tools that changed everything. Viktor, an AI coworker that runs in Slack, and HeyGen, a platform that turns text into realistic talking avatar videos. Together, they're a full video production team for under $100 a month. Here's how the process works. I send Viktor a message in Slack, something like, create a 60-second promo video for my business. Viktor writes the script, sends it to HeyGen's API, generates video clips with my AI avatar and cloned voice, adds B-roll and transitions, creates a thumbnail, and uploads everything directly to YouTube, all automated. HeyGen is the magic behind the avatar. I uploaded a single photo of myself, cloned my voice from a short audio sample, and now it generates videos of me speaking any script. The lip sync is incredibly accurate, and with the auto-enhance feature, the output looks professional. Viktor also handles thumbnails. It generates eye-catching images using AI, formats them to YouTube's exact specifications, and sets them as the video thumbnail during upload. No Photoshop, no Canva, just a single request in Slack. This entire video, the script, the avatar clips, the editing, the thumbnail, and the upload was all done by Viktor. If you want to try it yourself, there's a link in the description. It's $50 a month, and honestly, it's the best investment I've made for my business.